mind saying something for the vlog?
No. I don't know what to say. Wash your hands.
Would you ever do that for me?
You getting sketched out?
No. I'm trying to keep us time efficient.
I figured out a way how to make it not like fog your glasses. There's a little wire in here that you push to your nose. Fly, baby, fly.
I wanna break my baby. Yeah, hold it down, break her down. Oh no, we'll take you in and spit you out. You're only worth how much you sell.
Whoa, look at the lighting on this building right here.
Just give the people what they need.
Hold up, wait a few seconds. This guy's just gonna skip some right
That actually sucks though. We're gonna have to like be inside for like the rest of our lives.
There'll be like only 2,000 kids will remember the sunlight. We're out here in Detroit, taking photos. We're walking back to the car.
Wait, I'm gonna make a TikTok. Look, it's Cameron Boyce. That's not Cameron Boyce. Ooh, smoke. Oh, how do I do this? Ooh. What do you have to say, Matthew?
Oh, well, we just got out of Detroit. We were wearing the masks the whole time. I shot about a roll of film in total. 2 halves of 2 different rolls of film, really. People were giving us weird looks the whole time, and like there were a bunch of women walking by and they'd be like, oh, they scared of the coronavirus. They're wearing the masks, and we're just like straight up chilling. Like, let us do us.
Yeah, same.
Oh, what the heck is this armored van doing?
They're gonna get hit. It's probably a bank robbery.
Honestly. Actually, that guy kind of looked cool. Like, I'd be friends with him.
Evan,
Yeah.
what's up?
Nothing much. We're just going home now. It's a little cold out, really windy. The coronavirus is, you know, floating around.
As the day goes on.
Just like the coronavirus is out.
Okay, so there's not much else to say. We wore the masks. Our glasses were all fogging. You know, the drill. Lot of looks.
Like, we weren't even being super serious about like being scared about the coronavirus. I mean, it's like if we were doing it correctly, it's like an added precaution. If we weren't doing it correctly, like I don't think we're gonna get sick. Like, we're just chilling. We talked to like one person.
Also, these masks do not help with the germs at all because you like keep touching it and everything. And also right here, there's like a crack. You know, germs can still get in. These aren't even like the right masks for the coronavirus. So you do you, I do me. So like, just chill.
Yeah. You think you got any good shots?
Yeah, I think half of my shots were really bad because like I had my settings messed up and it was on auto with like manual ISO and stuff, which is never good. But the other half was pretty good. It's gonna look like Visco pictures. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Evan, did you get any good shots?
Yeah, I got some pretty good ones. I think we found some pretty cool spots. Detroit definitely has some cool graffiti and stuff.
Oh yeah, that alleyway was insane. Hoping that my pictures were good. I don't know.
It's a pretty big city. It's a pretty big city, and like we didn't have. That's just my forehead. We didn't have a lot of time to like explore it, but we still found like really cool spots.
And another cool thing was the locks on that wall with like the wood underneath. I'm hoping my shots of that came out well.
We'll go back when the coronavirus is over with and we get more people.
Yeah.
That's if it's over.
We're kind of rushing home because I guess Trump's going to declare a state of national emergency in like an hour is the rumor. So we're like trying to get out of Detroit right now for obvious reasons.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
You can like extend your hand and get a better angle.
Oh, she's heavy though.
Yeah, she is.
That's it. Dude, I want to see
I
it.
miss it with the camera.
There it is. Let's go.
Detroit! This guy's in my butt, so we're gonna floor it.
This is like very awkward. That dude just passed us, and that dude's about to pass that dude. I should have turned the camera around.
It's fine. Yeah, can it see me in the shot?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna be honest. It's hard to take pictures wearing polarized sunglasses and then shooting on a camera that has like a digital screen in the viewfinder. So I'm not entirely sure how most of those shots came out. Like I can't tell my white balance or anything. That's an undercover cop. So like I just had stuff like that set to auto, and then I was just trying to expose everything correctly. I had it on high speed, burst mode. I'm just walking around corners, just like taking shot after shot, and hopefully like at least 6 of them look nice.
Yeah. It was definitely hard to take pictures while, ew, look at that angle. It was definitely hard to take pictures while my glasses were very foggy because of the mask, but
That was one too.
I'm hoping that they turn out all good. So yeah.
We had some pretty harsh light too.
Oh yeah.
Some teachers will be working on, as I said, virtual lessons and videos that will be sent out with instructions on how to see those videos. Other times, so some teachers will be doing that, some teachers will be doing
Detroit, Michigan.